Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your Earbuds SHOKZ OpenRun Pro 2 Mini on your Android device. You have to start by open Play Store and then go to the search at the bottom. Now click at the search line at the top and write SHOKZ. Now search, and you need to install the application what's called SHOKZ. Now open it. Agree. Allow. Now select your region. We can only scroll down. Right here we have now search button and click confirm. Now you can sign in into your account or create a new one, but I'm going to skip it. And we did it! In the next video I will show you how to add these earbuds to the application. So if you don't know how, you can check that video. And thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!